What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed a SoundCloud playlist or audio into your WordPress website without plugins, okay? But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter your domain plus wp-admin and enter with your login credentials, okay? You're gonna be able to see this page right here, that is your WordPress dashboard. Now you can apply your playlist on your page, on your posts, on your widgets, anything that you want, okay? I'm gonna apply this into one of my blog posts. So I'm gonna go to posts, into the left sidebar of menus and click on add new. Now you're gonna give a title to this post, okay? Right here. And then you're gonna click into this block and click into this plus button. Then search for a widget called custom HTML, this guy right here. Then click on edit HTML. Now we're gonna get the code, okay? How to get the code? First thing, you can go to some artist that you like, some profile that you like, find the music, for example this one, and find the share button, okay? On SoundCloud. Click on share. Then you're gonna be able to see share, embed, and message. Click on embed. Then you're going to be able to see a couple of options to embed, a couple of designs, okay? I like this one. Then all you have to do is copy. Or in the case that you want, you can copy the WordPress, okay? Click on copy. Go to your WordPress website. Place the code. Update, and let's preview the page. And here is our track. Simple, right? Now, how to embed a playlist? My recommendation is for you to make your own playlist, okay? Because you have settings and anyone can set to let this playlist public or not. And of course, you cannot embed a playlist that isn't public, okay? So find a playlist. This is mine. Click on share, embed, copy the code just like this. Click on edit code, place the code, update, and let's preview the results we got. Nice, right? Now imagine that you would like to customize the colors. You can edit the colors of your playlist. You can enable autoplay in the case that you want. I highly do not recommend you to do this because no one's like autoplays, but you can. And of course you can change colors. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best. Also, never forget to hit the update button or publish button into the upper right corner of your WordPress editor page.